So here are my fountains, part of my stash for 2020. I have the handheld fountains from Red Apple, Rainbow Waterfall, Hurly Burly by Brothers, the Flying Ants by Canon, Reaper by World Class, World Class cone number 8, number 8 cone by Cutting Edge, Mount Kilauea Eruption, Phantom, Ground Bloom Fountain from Winda, Krakatoa by Brothers, The Fish Out of Water by World Class, and then the Alien Bucket. And I'll have an unbucketing. I guess you can't have an unboxing. I'll have an unbucketing in a future video. So there are part of my stash for 2020, the fountains.